Hey, friend. So, as I've been getting ready to launch this podcast, I've been inviting all the people in my world to tell me what their number one struggle is with planning and developing a wardrobe that feels like authentic to the person. Then, after they tell me their answer, of course, I try to give them a little bit of help. And I would expect that I would find myself offering help that comes from my paid programs, like my Signature Style University style guides. And actually, several of them I found when I was talking to the people that what they really need is right there in my free stuff. So I have a free style guide, or not style guide, planning guide. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. So, discovering your style DNA covers three arenas. The N in DNA is your needs based on your lifestyle, the external circumstances of your life. So, today I'm walking you through how I think about that. Where this material came from is mostly from back when I was a homeschool mom. So I started my first blog in I think 2005, and the internet was a new thing, blogging was a new thing, and I had read Carla Mathis's book, The Triumph of Individual Style, but I had not yet trained with her or worked with her in any personal way. I basically started a blog because I was lonely and I needed a place to share my ideas. So most of the concepts in this planning process came from that era of fashion blogging back then. We didn't even take pictures of our whole self. Like if I shared an outfit picture in which you can still see my blog, it's all there. It was called The Space Between My Peers. I still know people that read it back then. And outfit pictures were like from here down. We didn't show our head, which is crazy because your face is the focal point of every outfit. I digress. So I have this fully free PDF that you can download if you go to my website, signaturestylesystems.com, and it will walk you through these 5 steps. So the first step is deciding on which segment you want to plan. And so I divide a wardrobe into, segments, based on your lifestyle, that you're going to wear the same type of clothing to. So you might have like a workout segment and a like smart casual segment and date night segment or whatever. I mean, I use 4. I use leisure, which is dog walking, athletic, that type of thing. I use casual, which is like basically what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing trouser jeans and blazer and a t-shirt. There's other ways you can do, formulas that you can use for that as well. And then like professional business or business formal, which is specific to your industry if you need that or not. And then social, and your social might be multiple different things. For me, it's like, I'm going to go to something, the kids' performance or a nice dinner, a wedding, that type of thing. Okay, so you choose which segment you're planning and you do this process for each one separately. Then you choose your template, and this is your outfit template. Like I was just describing what I'm wearing, that would be an outfit template, and I might have several different pieces that are interchangeable. And in my Signature Style University, I have an outfit formula style guide, which is the 301. And in that, I build templates for you based on your silhouette and proportions. And then it also comes with a mini course that I built that explains some of the theory behind the golden ratio of how you put together an outfit. Okay, so the third step is to estimate your laundry cycle. And that's just basically how long might it be between when you wear something and get it dirty and then when you can wear it again. Then the fourth step is to calculate your needs. And yes, I do have math formula for working out how many of each type of garment you actually need. And if you have babies, you might be surprised how many you need of each of these kinds of garments. And then the fifth step is to play dress up. So I do a closet in a completely like inverted kind of way to what I think most people are used to doing. And this explains how you do a closet. So what you're going to do is you are going to go to your closet and you are going to take your favorites and you're going to put them into outfits. And then after you do that in a sequence, try them on, make sure if you want to take a picture of it so you remember, do that. And then you're going to have orphans, then deal with them then. Don't go through and make a decision on each piece as just like, oh, I'm not sure if I like this. That's not an efficient way to do it. Make your outfits. And that's it. That's your homework too. Go in your closet, play dress up, make yourself some great outfits, and I promise you will feel better about your wardrobe than you do now. Thanks for being here for the Signature Style Systems podcast. I'll be back soon with an episode about the A in Style DNA. Until then, have fun playing dress up.